Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session, we are going to discuss a unique method of obtaining a numerical solution of initial value problems, where initial value problem is given along with its initial condition, and we need to obtain the next value by computing some factors like K1, K2, K3, K4. Let us understand what this method says and how best we can utilize this method to obtain a solution. Considering an initial value problem, which is a dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, where y of x naught will be treated as y naught. Means x naught will be initial value of x and y naught will be initial value of y. To obtain its next value in the sense x naught plus h will be next step length. So y of x naught plus h, where h is a step length, we need to compute k1, k2, k3, k4. How to obtain the values of k1, k2, k3, k4? So k1 will be obtained by using the relation h, which is nothing but a step length into a function of x naught, y naught. Means the given dy by dx will be treated as f of xy. Here, by substituting the value of x and y as initial value of x, means x naught and y naught, we can obtain its functional value, and that will be multiplied by a step length, that will be k1. Next, to obtain k2, we need to use this relation which says h step length into a function of x naught plus h by 2, means initial value of x plus step length by 2, comma y naught plus k1 by 2. Y naught is initial value of y plus k1, which is already calculated in a previous step, that divided by 2. Next, to obtain k3, we need to use this relation which says step length into f of x naught plus h by 2, same initial value of x plus half of the step length, comma y naught plus k2 by 2. Y naught plus k2 by 2 means what? Recently obtained value of k2 divided by 2. Then k4 will be obtained by using a relation h into f of x naught plus h, y naught plus k3. Means x naught will be added with its step length and y naught will be added with the previous value of k, that is k3. Then after obtaining k1, k2, k3, k4, by using this relation we can obtain a final numerical solution which says y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught, means initial value of y, plus 1 by 6 times k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Means this is nothing but a average of k. Average of k, you may ask, average of k means it must be divided by 4. Why it is divided by 6? It is because we can see once k1 plus 2 times k2 plus 2 times k3 plus 1 times k4, means 1k, 2k, so 3k plus 2k, 5k plus 1k, 6k. So 6k's divided by 6 will be its average. That average, if it is being added to initial value of y, that is y naught, then we will be obtaining its next result. Okay, so that is the meaning of this method. So let us take one example to obtain its numerical solution. Let us take the example says given dy by dx is equal to 3x plus y by 2, where y of 0 is equal to 1. So we need to compute the value of y of 0.2 by taking h is equal to 0.2 by using RK method. RK method is nothing but Runge-Kutta method. Okay, RK method of fourth order. Means what? Here the value of x naught is given and its value of y naught is also given. That is nothing but x naught is equal to 0, where y naught is equal to 1. Then we need to obtain the value of y of 0.2. Means what? The value of x is equal to 0.2 and the value of y is equal to what? That we need to calculate, and the step length from here to here is nothing but x naught plus h, which is equal to 0.2. Because x naught is 0, plus h is 0.2. So we need to calculate this result. Okay, for this what to do? Let us consider the given data, whatever is mentioned in the example, that has to be considered, that has to be taken once. Then let us take by data f of x comma y is given. Means always we know in this method dy by dx will be treated as f of xy, which is nothing but 3x plus y by 2, comma. Then x naught is given. How it can be taken? The initial value can be considered. Y of 0 is equal to 1, means x naught is equal to 0, where y naught is equal to 1. Fine. Then what is h given here? H is equal to 0.2. That is nothing but step size. Okay. Very first what to do? First compute the value of K1, K2, K3 and K4. Fine. So K1 it will be calculated by using a relation h into f of x naught comma y naught. Okay. H is nothing but 0.2. This is clear. Then f of x naught is 0, y naught is 1. Fine. Therefore, it is 0.2 into functional value, which is nothing but 3x plus y by 2. The functional value with the rate of this means that will be equal to 3x naught plus y naught by 2. Fine. Means 0.2 into the value of x naught is 0. So it is 3 into 0 plus y naught is 1 by 2. If we calculate this whole equation, then this is 0 and it is half divided by 0.2 divided by 2 means it is 0.1. So this is the value of K1. Okay. So 0.1 is the value of K1. Clear? Similarly, let us calculate K2. What is K2? H into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma, y naught plus recently obtained value, that is K1 divided by 2. K1 divided by 2. Therefore, this becomes 0.2 into f of x naught is 0 plus h is 0.2. 0.2 divided by 2 means how much it is now? 0.2 divided by 2 means it becomes f of 0.1, comma, you can see y naught is 1 plus K1 is 0.1. That 0.1 divided by 2 will be 0.05. 0.05 plus 1 will be 1.05. Therefore, this is equal to 0.2 into the functional value we can consider. What is functional value now? The functional value will be 3 times the value of x, which is nothing but 0.1 now, plus y is nothing but 1.05, that divided by 2. If we calculate this all together, then this will be equal to, you can see 3 into 0.1, that will be 0.3, and this if we calculate, it will be equal to 0.165. This is the value of K2. Fine. Similarly, K3. What is K3? K3 is equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma, y naught plus K2 by 2, which is equal to h is 0.2, that into function of x naught. X naught is 0. X naught is 0. 0 plus h, 0.2 divided by 2 means what it is? Something like 0 plus 0.2 divided by 2, comma, y naught is 1. 1 plus K2. K2 is 0.165 divided by 2. Clear? So this is equal to 0.2 into f of, this will be 0.1 comma, now you can see this 0.165 divided by 2 plus 1, that will be equal to how much? It will be 1.0825. Okay, use functional value, that is 0.2 into functional value will be, function is 3x plus y by 2, therefore it is 3 into 0.1 plus y is 1.0825 divided by 2. If you calculate this, then that is equal to 0.16825. This is the value of K3. Fine, this is the value of K3. Next comes K4. What is K4? H into f of x naught plus h, comma, y naught plus K3. Y naught plus K3. That is nothing but 0.2 into f of x naught is 0 plus h is 0.2. So it is 0.2, comma, y naught is 1 plus K3. K3 is 0.16825. So it becomes 1.16825. If you substitute this value in a function, then this will be equal to 3 into 0.2 plus 1.16825 divided by 2, that will be equal to 0.236825. This is the value of K4. Value of K4. Now, the solution will be obtained by using the relation. What is that relation? The relation says y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 divided by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Okay, so this is the formula. Therefore, by using this formula, we need to obtain its numerical solution. How? Just by substituting the values. Just by substituting the values. What are the values now? Y of x naught plus h. What is x naught? X naught is 0. Plus h means it is 0.2. 0 plus 0.2, which is nothing but y of 0.2 is equal to y naught. Y naught value is 1. 1 divided by 6 into K1. K1 is 0.1 plus 2 into K2. K2 is 0.165. Okay. Plus 2 times K3. K3 is 0.16825 plus K4, that is 0.236825. Therefore, the overall value for this will be equal to how much? If you calculate this, then you will come to know the value for this will be y of 0.2 is equal to